Hi everyone, today we have the unboxing of the Bang& Olufsen A1 second generation. These are a wonderful new set of portable speakers which came out just about a year ago, and I thought I should get one of this as I'm traveling pretty soon, and I did want to have a new set of speakers with me. I think the last one I bought was a few years ago, and I was quite keen to try out something new. So, so these speakers they retail for about 250 US, and you might be able to get uh, a couple of percentage off in terms of savings if you hunt around. The speakers by themselves have the signature B&O industrial design. It looks really marvelous, and it does have the Qualcomm aptX adaptive codec built into this. This color is called the Gray Mist. It does have Alexa built in, and that's going to be interesting because I've never really used Alexa before. So that will take some getting used to. So let's get into this. Now I understand from B&O there are about 6 or 7 different colors, but this was the one which appealed the most to me. So let's try and see how this lifts off. There you have it. This looks really good, I must say. The color is just really nice. It's got that gray mist, silverish, anodized aluminium kind of color, and it's got a nice leather strap to it with the words Bang & Olufsen printed over here within the sleeve. And this looks really nice and rugged. It's got a bit of weight to it. I didn't expect this to have that much weight. So at the back, once we peel off these plastic labels, it'll give us access to the rubber base. I assume this is rubber, and indeed it is. So now one of the things over here which is good is that they've got USB-C. I was tired of using my old speakers which had the micro USB. It was the old BEOSOUND link from maybe 8-9 years ago. So this is going to be a big upgrade because this also uses, I think, Bluetooth 5 and beyond. And you can actually pair this up with two of these to get that surround kind of dual speaker kind of sound. Now what's really nice also is that you can use this as a speakerphone as well. So you can notice there's a button for the mic, there is the Bluetooth pairing, and there is the power button. It's good that it's got these physical buttons on there. On the other side, there is the play, and then the volume up and volume down. So let's try and see what else is there inside the box. Okay, so we've got a USB-C to USB-A cable, and that's really it. just some instructions on how to download some software. But other than that, it looks pretty straightforward. Okay, so let's get this out of the way and then try and pair this up. A nice LED light appears. And so let's try and pair this up with the phone. So I don't see it pop up yet. So we hold this. Okay. So the BEOSOUND A1 2nd Gen pops up. Beep beep, and the color changes now to a dark blue from the original white. So now let me just try and play something really short so that we get a sense of what the music sounds like. So let's pick a couple of songs. I mean, it's not going to be perfect for you, but at least you'll get a good understanding of what the quality looks like. So I'm going to use songs from Epidemic Sounds. So
live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this side away.
Yeah. These are my memoirs. Light up a cigar, smoke up the memories as I sit and dust them off. Why do people say it's just to piss you off? Ignore no call button and then dress Tupac. Wave.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite
So that should give you a good taste of what it sounds like. I hope it was useful. I know it's not perfect. So there is an app which you can download from the Apple Store. It's the B&O app. So once you open the app, it'll show you that you can add this on. The really good thing is I've got the BeoPlay H95 and it's actually the same app, so I don't need to download another app. So if I click on the plus, then it tells me that there is a BeoSound A1 second gen which is nearby. So when you click on that, it then connects into the actual product, which is really, straightforward. Accept the terms and conditions, click on next, and then choose the color. Wow, here is where you can see all of the different colors which are available. The Nordic Ice looked really nice, but I couldn't find it in the store. So, Gray Mist is what I've got. And so you can give it a name and the setup is complete. So this is where it goes into set up Amazon Alexa as well. So we can do that. Okay, so you have to go to the Amazon Alexa app, but I think I'll give that a miss for now. So anyway, once you've clicked done, both your devices appear here, and now you can just choose to play your music across either one of them.